HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's commonly used by full-stack and front-end developers to create and add content to a page. It's usually the most basic and the first language that front-end developers typically learn and is required to build user interfaces. Examples of content can include things such as adding headings to a page using the H1 to H6 tags, maybe a few paragraphs of text using the P tag or paragraph tag. You can also add an image to a page using the image tag and maybe a link or two to link to another page using what's known as an anchor tag. To give another example of how HTML can be used, whenever you see contact forms on a website, these are typically constructed using what's known as input tags. These input tags allow the user to enter in or select information such as email address or password or maybe your postcode for your house. These input tags often pair up with label tags to teach the user which field means what. You actually saw an example of this when logging into Sailee, such as this. This is constructed using input and label tags. There's actually a large variety of HTML tags available to a developer, somewhere in the region of 130 to 140. But to be honest, a lot of those HTML tags don't really get used that often anymore or are only for use in very specific cases, such as the HTML table element. Websites can be built using only HTML, but to be honest, they wouldn't really look that good at all. In fact, they'd look something a little bit like this. Not pretty at all. But this is where CSS comes in. CSS's job is to make the page look attractive and appealing to users through nice layouts or vibrant colors. But you'll find more information on that in the What is CSS video. Another important job of HTML is to teach search engines what content is on the page. This is known as search engine optimization or SEO. You'll also see it called SEM or search engine marketing, which basically just means anything related to search engines generally in marketing. In summary, without HTML there would be no content on the page, no images, no data at all. There would be no user interface for you to look at. There might be colors, there might be pretty boxes, but no content actually filling those boxes. HTML is a vital tool in a front-end or full-stack developer's arsenal.